welcome back to another video, guys. Rodrigo here. Bit of a different one today. We're doing an unboxing and a review slash voiceover of the new Whoop 4.0 wearable fitness tracker. Let's go ahead and get straight into it. So straight off the bat, the packaging in this new little wearable tracker thing is freaking awesome. They overdid themselves. First, you get the little warranty thing, the manual, etc. We're all on the subscription here, guys. None of us are buying this thing outright. This thing would be freaking ridiculously expensive. Anyways, the user manual is pretty nifty here. Basically shows you what's in the box, how to wear it if it's your first Whoop, how to charge it, etc., how to care for it. This thing is waterproof, and I believe the battery pack is also waterproof, which is a big improvement. So you get the 4.0 device, battery pack, strap and clamp, and the USB-C charger. And yeah, the little step-by-step guide is pretty nifty, and like I said, the packaging is pretty cool. So as you guys can see there, you got the strap, the clamp, the battery pack up top, and right underneath that you get your charger. So honestly, guys, I was pretty happy about this thing because I had gone 2 months without a freaking Whoop. That's a long time for me. I originally bought it to track my sleep, and ever since then I've fallen in love with it. You guys can see here, comparing it to the Whoop 3.0 battery pack, it has these little silver things that it latches onto and charges, whereas this thing is magnetic, I believe. I didn't even think that it was possible, or I didn't really know how it was charging my actual Whoop, because there's no little metal clamps or anything like that. It literally just slides on and it starts charging it somehow. It must be magnetic. But under that you have the charger. Charger is a USB-A to USB-C, which makes it super fast charging. And yeah, I just wish it was a little bit bigger because it's super short and stubby, and I'm not a big fan. But if you have like an iPad charger or something like that where it has a USB-C charger, then you're good to go there. But they do include one, which is cool. And then the strap there, just went with a classic black. The strap and the clamp itself, as well as the actual unit thing itself. Now again, guys, everyone's on a subscription here because this thing is stupid expensive. I remember when it was not on the subscription and it was like $500, right around there. I can't remember, don't quote me on it. But yeah, the fact that we're on a subscription makes it a lot more affordable, and it's able to get in the hands of a lot more people. Everyone can afford $20 to $30 a month, especially if you're getting the benefits of this little tool, such as tracking your sleep, tracking your workouts, etc. Now on the bottom is the little heart rate monitor sensor. It tracks a few different stats. Right here is the Whoop 4.0 on the left and the Whoop 3.0 on the right. As you guys can see there, big design improvement. Not as big and not as bulky. It's a lot thinner. It's a little shorter, and the knit little strap and clamp are a little bit different, guys. So they did make a few changes to it. As you guys can see here, the bottom piece there is almost like on a little rail. It is detachable. The top piece is your classic clamp like on the 3.0. Now throwing it on, it is adjustable, so it's like a one size fits all type of band. So don't worry about like the sizing or anything like that if this is your first Whoop. Like I said, it's like a little rail system on the bottom, so easy detach without having to mess with the clamp, because I know a lot of people are getting frustrated with that. But it's super sweat resistant, sweat wicking, water resistant, and all that. The bottom has like a nice little grip, so it stays on your wrist nice and firm, because you do want the sensor on your wrist at a good pressure. That way it actually reads you accurately. Now again, like I said, kind of a new design, but nothing too crazy, nothing that's gonna blow your mind. Just a little tweak here and there. Honestly, didn't even feel like it needed a upgrade or a tweak or anything. But just to give you a quick little overview of some of the things that you can do on the 4.0. So respiratory rate, blood oxygen level, which I believe is a new feature for this, the heart rate variability, HRV, and resting heart rate, RHR. And it also does your skin temperature from baseline, and it also has haptic feedback. Basically, like it vibrates if you want to set an alarm, when to charge it, different little things like that when you've reached your target strain for a workout. If you want to wake up to, like your little wrist vibrating instead of setting an alarm clock to wake up your partner. So it's pretty cool. Now, pairing this thing is super simple and easy, guys. Literally just press a few buttons and you're good to go, especially if you're upgrading from the 3.0. Otherwise, you just have to go into your settings and go to the Bluetooth settings and pair it. And I did get it in late afternoon, but here is where I went to say that I was sleeping so it could track my sleep. The next morning I got up and I checked my stats, and I was so pumped to finally see these up and running again. sleep, it shows your time in bed, disturbances, efficiency, respiratory rate, and latency, and all the stages of sleep, and kind of just like how long it took you to fall asleep type deal. And then as well as your recovery, which is there. You guys see I'm in the green, 93%. Shout out to Fit Aid, Dream Aid. I absolutely love that stuff, and ever since I started taking it, my sleep has been on point, recovery has been on point. It also shows how many hours of sleep you got versus how many you needed. And yeah, I absolutely love that feature. Next, we went to hit a little workout slash cardio sesh. All you do there is start the activity. I chose running. It counts it down and it tracks your heart rate and a bunch of stats live if you want. You can even do like little social media posts if you like, which I always do on my Instagram. Go follow me there. Once you're done, it shows you how hard your workout is on a little scale. Mine was a 10.5, and then that night again went back to sleep, guys. Now again, I bought this thing for my sleep tracking. It has tons of amazing other features, such as tracking your workouts, how hard they were, your sleep, your recovery, how hard you should push based off your recovery, etc. And then in the morning, it has a little journal. Did you have alcoholic drinks? Did you take melatonin? Did you look at screens before bed? That sort of thing. That way you can improve your sleep. I don't use it anymore because I don't need it. I have my sleep routine dialed in, but absolutely love this thing, guys. If you guys want a free Whoop and a free month, the link's going to be in the description. Go get one, guys. I highly recommend you pick up this tool for this new year, the 2022. And if you're looking to lose 15 pounds in the next 90 days, guys, go ahead and apply for my one-on-one coaching program, the 90-day lean body aesthetics, guys. Get in the best shape of your life in the next 90 days, guys. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you guys had a awesome holiday. And yeah, let's kick butt going into 2022. Shots G out.